Comment below if you a drum or a flat. I like my flats, bro. I can eat 100 flats and 5 drums and be okay. I cannot eat 100 drums and 5 flats. If you a drum person, I kind of don't trust you for real, for real. What up, though? It's your boy, Chef Geech, man, live from Cancun, Cabo, Turks and Caicos. All of these locations where my players will be vacationing because we didn't make the playoffs. But nonetheless, that does not mean that I am going to neglect the playoffs, all right? This is a crazy, crazy playoff run, all right? We got teams. I don't know who's going to the Super Bowl. I really don't, but I got a hunch. And that's what I'm basing my meals off today. Today, I'm gonna cook a meal representing the AFC team that I think is gonna make it to the Super Bowl. And drum roll, please. Josh Allen and the Buffalo Bills. I think it's his time. I know it's his time. I hope it's his time. Because if it ain't, you're never gonna get another shot, mother. It's over. Go take care of your kids. You got a baby on the way. You got a new wife, beautiful baby. Just, that's your life now, buddy. If you don't get it now, with no Lamar, no Joe, no Pat, SOL, buddy. So, today I'm making my buffalo chicken wings with my big back blue cheese dressing. I didn't know buffalo wings literally come from buffalo. I didn't know that's what buffalo wings was tied to. So, one of my favorite meals to make, real simple, real easy, and real delicious. Come on. First thing we're gonna do is season our chicken. I got some chicken wings, party wings. You know, I don't do the big chicken wings. We do the small chicken wings. These are no steroids, all organic, air chilled. I go all the way out. I make sure I get the chicken wings that got all the checklists. Air chilled, organic, grass fed, meditation. This chicken was massaged daily before we cut it up in the little chicken wings. I gotta make sure I got that chicken. I don't want no fake chicken. So we got our chicken here, simple seasoning, bro. I do the salt. No, I'm not measuring. This is real cooking. I'm gonna do some paprika. I'm gonna do some garlic powder. Usually I'll do some fresh garlic, but not today. All right, next we're gonna do some pepper. Yeah, get all of that in there, baby. Onion powder. I know I keep saying love. Ain't nothing love here, baby. We doing all big shit. You know what I'm saying? Cayenne pepper, chili powder, cayenne, just a little cayenne. You don't want to do a lot of cayenne because the sauce gonna be hot enough, baby. All right, you know what time it is? Throw some mustard on there. Yeah, I used a lot of mustard this year, man. Like, mustard was damn near in every recipe we cooked this year. Gonna mix this thing up. We're gonna get our hands dirty. Yeah, get out a nice little rub together. Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Yeah, I like it when you touch my wings, baby. I like it when you touch my wings. Flat, 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 flat. Like, I'm geeked about these playoffs, though. I really do not know who's gonna win. Like, but Josh. If you don't win this time, bro, I don't know what to tell you, dog. It's right there. It's laid out in front of you. I think the messed up part about it is this is arguably Josh's worst team. So it's like you finally got a playoffs where you don't got Pat, you don't got Lamar, you don't got Joe, and you got the worst team, easily your worst defense. Y'all get tossed around like rag dolls on defense. You ain't got no wide receivers. It's literally just you and James Cook. And if y'all ain't careful, y'all gonna get cooked. Got the seasoning. Your hands should be looking like this. Your wings should be looking like that. And now it's time to go to the fryer, baby. We're gonna drop it straight in the fryer, butt naked, butt booty naked. Let's go. Yes, sirski. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Man, I've been fighting with the fryer all season, dog. Like, every episode is something, dog. Every episode, it's either boiling over. Better sit your... I wish you would. I wish you would boil over. Keep on showing people that I don't know how to cook. Everybody at the beach, I'm in here cooking, still making content for the NFL and REVOLT. Meanwhile, the fellas is out there getting it. You know what I'm saying? Having a wonderful old off-season time. I'm still in here frying chicken wings. And I ain't got no flats. I hate it when they do that. All drums, bro. Like, I be needing some, bro. Comment below if you a drum or a flat. I like my flats, bro. I can eat 100 flats and 5 drums and be okay. I cannot eat 100 drums and 5 flats. If you a drum person, I kind of don't trust you for real. You feel me? Because drums you can eat with one hand. I don't trust nobody that do stuff with one hand. You gotta have 2 hands. I need all hands on deck. When you eating a flat, you don't take a flat with one hand. You take a flat with both hands because it's even. The one side look like the other side. It's a flat. A wing, you got the big side, you got the small side. So you eat it with one hand. I don't trust y'all one hand drum eaters. Okay, team flats over here. That's like a deal breaker for me. If I take you on a date, that's one of the first questions I'm asking. Are you flat or are you drum? If you tell me you drum, it's the last date, baby, I promise you. I'm about to take it out. Yes, sirski. Got that nice little brown on it. See, the grease, when you cook it in the grease, it's gonna lock all that flavor in. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna trap all that flavor in so it don't get, you know what I'm saying? When you dry cook something, it's gonna dry the food out. So you wanna cook it wet in this fryer, trap all them juices in, and then after that, you go to the dry cook, because the dry cook is gonna make it fall off the bone. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? See? I'm a little cooking one-on-one. Next step is to make my world famous big back buffalo sauce. All right, so first thing I wanna do is not set the kitchen on fire, because it look like something is catching fire, but we're gonna make this quick, fast, and a hurry so that don't be a factor. So first thing I'm gonna do is throw some butter in here. Half a stick of butter. It was at this very moment that I realized I fucked up. I'm supposed to be on vacation right now. I'm not even supposed to be dealing with this. I'm not supposed to have none of these problems. I'm not supposed to be burning no butter. I'm just supposed to be going about my day, sitting by the poolside, me and the fellas. You know what I'm saying? A couple little ladies, a couple little chicks. That goes for the fellas that ain't got wags. And that's what I'm supposed to be doing. And I'm not supposed to be dealing with kitchen fires, grease fires. Melt your butter. Don't burn the kitchen down. I'm gonna add some brown sugar to the mix. Brown sugar back. You know I was gonna say it. See, my buffalo sauce is a little bit on the sweet side. You know, like a little, Roger pointed it out to me. I use brown sugar in everything I do. I do. Put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. And we're gonna add the hot sauce in here. I put hot sauce on the pork chop sandwich. Shout out to Jay Witt. I put hot sauce on the pork chop sandwich. Probably end up using half the bottle. This is gonna be fire. I love buffalo wings. Buffalo wings and tacos is like my 2 favorite food, period. Like, period. I can eat a lobster tail, a buffalo chicken wing, and a taco. I'm good. That's all I need. That's my 3 favorite foods. Lobster tails, a little bit of clarified butter. That's it. I don't need nothing special. Buffalo wings, and a taco. Throw a little honey in there, little honey. And that's it. That's my world famous buffalo sauce. Now we about to toss it and our chicken wings. Throw these boys in the oven on 275, slow cook for about 45 to an hour. Chef's kiss, watch what I tell you. I'm gonna drip some of that sauce on there. 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 Drip some of that sauce on that sauce on there. Put some of that sauce on there. That's all. Put some of that sauce on there. What you do? Put sauce on there. Put a little bit of sauce on there. Put some of that sauce on there. That sauce on there. Put a little bit. And toss them wings. Put a little bit. Toss them wings. Bye. Let me see you toss them wings. Beep, beep. Toss them wings. Toss these wings right there. Set them on the aluminum foil. Uniform. Look at all these drums, bro. This junk is irritating. Like, why would they give me this many drumsticks? Because all the black people be going to the supermarket. Can I get all flats, please? Excuse me, I don't want to be rude. I hope I'm not being picky. Can I get all flats? And I'm the only dummy going in there saying, just give me 6 pounds of chicken wings. Let's count them together, ladies and gentlemen. 1 flat, 2 flats, 3 flats, 4 flats, 4 fucking flats, bro. I just counted out 25 wings. Is you showing up to a party if the ratio is 4 to 25, 4 women? 4 women, 21 men? Is you showing up to the party? So why you think I'm about to serve some party wings when I only got 4 flats? All right, we about to slip these in the oven. Next thing we want to do is make this big back blue cheese sauce. We got a 1/4 cup of mayo. We're gonna slap that in there. Bloop. If I could name my highlights of the year, it's been the sauces, man. From the barbecue to the buffalo to the blue cheese, that ranch dressing. When we play Pittsburgh, sheesh, killer. Like all my sauces be killer, I ain't gonna lie. Sour cream, 1/4 cup buttermilk. Oh, we're gonna slap that in there. I love blue cheese. That's another thing I need to know. Is you a flat or a drum? The other thing I need to know, is you a ranch or is you a blue cheese? Which one you like? There's something about that blue cheese, that funk. I trust a ranch person, but if you like blue cheese, it tell me a lot about you. It tell me you experimental. It tell me that you like living life on the edge a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Tell me you're a little funky, mom. So you're a little funky. Gotta have a little funk in your life. You know what I'm saying? Worcestershire, lemon juice, a little sugar. Gonna throw some dill in here. We also gonna throw some garlic in here. We're gonna cut some garlic up. Same thing, probably like a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of dill. This dill smells so good too. I love the smell of dill. Freshness, baby, freshness. Right here in Cabo, baby, we cooking fresh meals. Now the crazy part is I'm gonna cook these buffalo wings and I'm gonna still go get me a taco from out here. Chop that dill up nice and fine. Throw it in there with the dressing. Take about 2 garlic cloves, chop them up. I'm gonna just rough chop these because I got my blender right here. It's gonna get it, it's gonna get it nice and fine. All right, rough chop that garlic, throw it in there. Then we're gonna blend this up. Got my hand blender, my baby. This been my baby all season too. Been doing nothing but making good dressing. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a little bit of the blue cheese in here just to get some of that consistency and that flavor in there. But ultimately, I'm gonna fold all of the blue cheese in. I'm not gonna blend it all in there. I just wanna put a couple pieces in there. You know what time it is. Man, coming soon to a store near you. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. All right, next thing, fold that blue cheese in because we like blue cheese crumble dressing. We don't like blue cheese dressing. We like blue cheese crumble dressing. So we're gonna take some of that blue cheese, fold it in that dressing. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Boom, and there you have it, blue cheese dressing. Let's get them wings out the oven and call it a day. All right, here we go, baby. My world famous. I'm not even about to talk. I don't got time to talk. I'm about to eat. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat one, no blue cheese. Just tender, easy to fall off the bone when you bite into it. Sweet, a little bit of kick to it. This is the best wings in the world. I just want to shut up and eat. I don't really want to say nothing. I'm gonna dip it in the blue cheese though. Let me get a little bit of blue cheese though. Yes, sirski. What that talking about? I ain't gonna lie. I'm so glad the Bills made it to the playoffs just for this. That's the only reason. You could lose now, Josh. I don't even care. I got what I wanted. You feel me?